Hello guys, welcome back to Chinese. 我係老師 Gloria. I know that some of you marry someone from Cantonese family, but you don't know how to address your parents-in-law. So if you are a female like me marry a Cantonese guy, we could call their parents in this way. 老爺 Husband's dad and husband's mom. 奶奶 Or when we mention them to our friends, we could say 家公 is husband's father, our father-in-law, and 家婆 our husband's mom is 家婆. So they will call you 新抱 or 新抱 daughter-in-law. Then for guy, if you married a Cantonese girl, and then you could call her father in this way. 外父 外 literally means outside. 父 is father. Here we have a tongue change. 外父 is your wife's dad, is your father-in-law. And 外母 is your mother-in-law. And they will call you 女婿 son-in-law. Don't mess them up. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe me. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.